Energy stores. First of all, chemical energy stores include fuels, foods, or the chemicals found in batteries. The energy here is transferred during chemical reactions. Kinetic energy stores are described as the energy an object has because it's moving, while gravitational potential energy stores are used to describe the energy stored in an object because of its position, such as an object above the ground. Fourth, elastic potential energy stores describe the energy stored in a springy object when you stretch it or squash it. And at last, thermal energy stores describe the energy a substance has because of its temperature. An example about energy stores and how energy can be transferred from one store to another. In a torch, there is chemical energy stored in the battery, which is transferred to electric current in the wires, where a current is pushed through the bulb, and in turn, energy is transferred to the surroundings in both types. The torch emits light waves and also gets hot. Therefore, there will be an increase in the thermal energy store of the surroundings. So that's how we learn about energy stores.